Hello kids, today we are going to learn LCM. LCM, which means least common multiple. Now, before we get started, we need to know what multiple is. Okay? Remember when we were small, we used to learn tables like 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12 and so on. So all these were multiples. 2 1s are, so 2 times 1, 2 2s are, 2 3s are. So multiple of 2 with 3 is 6. Then 2 into 4 is 8, 2 5s are 10. So on. Okay, so this table is actually the multiples. Similarly, let's say for 3, what are the multiples of 3? 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18, 3 6 are 18 and so on. Okay, so now what do you notice here? We have to find the common multiples, right? So we have listed the multiples of 2, we have listed the multiples of 3. So let's see what is common. 6 and 6 is common. Then 12 and 12 is common. So what do you notice that? So there are more than one common multiples, right? But we are talking about least common multiple. So the least common multiple is 6, the smallest common multiple. So LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Okay, so this is what actually the LCM means, the least common multiples. So you find the multiples and then you see which one are common. Okay, so just for the explanation purpose, I am showing you this way. Okay, let's take off 2 and 10. Okay, so I want to find LCM of 2 and 10. So what I will do is, I will write the multiples of 2 again, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay, and let me do 4 actually. Okay, so it's easier that way. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24 and so forth. Okay, so multiples of 2 is this, multiples of 4 are listed here. Now let's see the common multiples. So 4 and 4 are common, 8 and 8 are common, 12 and 12 are common, 16 and 16 are common. So we have so many common multiples, right? And we'll have many more in the series. So what do? We need the least common. So out of these, which one is the least? 4. So LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. So kids, what do you notice? That 6 is bigger than 2 and 3, 4 is equal to 4. So your LCM is either bigger or equal to the greater of the two numbers. Okay, so your LCM is either bigger or equal to the bigger number. Okay, so let's do one more question. Now to write the multiples, let us do it in a smarter and a more neat way. So let's do for 2 and 3 again. Okay, okay kids, let's do for 2 and 3 again. So LCM of 2 and 3, let's say. So I write it like this, I write 2 here, I write 3 here. I start with the smallest number, which is 2. 2 1s are 2. In the table of 2, 3 is not there, so I copy 3 as it is. Now Here I am left with 1 and 3. So the next number I'll write is 3. So 1 and 1. So my LCM is 2 and 3 is 2 into 3, which is 6. Okay. Now let's take the same example as before. Let's take the example of let's say LCM of 2 and 10 or 2 and 18. Okay. So what I'll do is I will write 2 here and 18 here. Okay. And now where do we start? We start with 2. Okay. 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18. Then the next number would be 3. 3 ones, 3 threes are 9. Okay. I'll write 3 again. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. Okay. So 3 ones are 3. Okay. So now I am not left with any number. So I will write my LCM. So my LCM becomes this. 2 into 3 into 3, which is 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. Okay. Now you will notice that 18 is equal to the second number here. Okay guys. Let's do one more if you want. Let's do LCM of 3 numbers. We'll do it in the similar way. So let me start. Let's take, what numbers do you want? Okay. Let's take 6. Let's take 6 and 72 and 120. Okay. Sorry, 6, 72 and 120. Now I will make it again the same way. What I'll do is I'll write 6, 72 and 120. Now I will start with 2. 2 3s are 6. So this is 2 3s are 6 and 2 6 are 12. So 2 into 36 makes 72, right? And then 2 60s. Now my next number would still be 2. So I'll write 3 as it is. Then 2 18s are 36 and 2 30s are 60. Okay. I'll take 2 again. So 2 3s, I'll copy 3 as it is. 2 9s are 18 and 2 15s are 30. Okay. Now 2 is not a factor in any of these. So 2 के table में none of these come. So we'll start with 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. My next number would be 3 again. I'll copy 1 as it is. 3 ones are 3 and 5 as it is. Okay. My next number would be 5. 5, 1 as it is, 1 as it is, and 1. Okay. Now I have only ones at the bottom. That is, I'm ready to take the LCM. So my LCM would be multiple of all these. Okay. Starting from here till here, which is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. What did you see me writing? Okay. So I wrote all these numbers on the left, which I encircled over here. Okay. So this is what? 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40 and 40 9s are 360. 360. Okay, so just to let you know how to make the multiplication easier, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, this is your 8, this is your 5, so 8 5s are 40, this 3 into 3 is 9, then you do 9 into 40, which is 360. Okay, so your LCM of the three numbers 6, so the LCM of your 6, 72 and 120 is 360, which is bigger than all the numbers. Okay guys, in my next video I'll show you how to take HCF, what is the prime factorization method, and if you know LCM or HCF, you can find out the other one. Okay, see you soon. Bye bye and good luck.